The Recreation and Wellness Intranet Project, presented by FNF Express, Sarah Ford and Marcus Fountain, Spring 2011. Manager Health Incorporated is a Fortune 500 company that provides healthcare services globally. Manager Health employs 20,000 full-time employees and 5,000 plus part-time employees. Manager Health updated their strategic plan and key goals, including reducing internal costs, cross-selling of products, and exploiting a new web-based technology to help employees, customers, and suppliers. Manager Health stakeholders have decided to start with the Recreation and Wellness Intranet project from their strategic plan. This project will help improve employee health. Currently, Manager Health pays 20% more for health insurance premiums than the industry average. Once the application is in place, Manager Health will be able to negotiate lower health insurance premiums and hopefully have a savings of $30 per full-time employee over a 4-year span. The Recreation and Wellness Intranet application will allow employees to register for company-sponsored recreational programs such as soccer, softball, bowling, and other sports. The application will also allow for registration into company-sponsored classes to help employees manage their weight, reduce stress, stop smoking, and other health-related issues. The application will track the involvement in all programs and classes and offer incentives to those who achieve their weekly and monthly goals. The steps to approaching the intranet project include the responsibility traceability matrix shows that the project is going to run as planned and will be implemented in the manner our stakeholders would like it to be. We had several approaches into documenting our requirements. These approaches include interviewing stakeholders, creating surveys, using group creativity, creating focus groups, and observations. Our project scope statement included project characteristics and requirements, to develop a survey for user input, create an application for employee tracking of recreation and wellness programs, track data on employee involvement, to offer incentives for employees who join and continue, hire experts in the specialized fields, make sure the program is maintained and monitored. The work breakdown structure showed 5 sections: user input, application, incentives, experts, and administration. Change in a project is inevitable. There will be small changes and there will be big changes to a project. But when there is change, you must be prepared for it and make sure your project stays consistent and on time so that all parties will be happy and satisfied. For our project, there are strategies that need to be implemented in case of change to our scope. Keeping the scope realistic involves users using software and hardware that is only for the project and following good project management processes.
SMART criteria: specific, measurable, assignable, realistic, time frame. We created 8 milestones following the SMART criteria to include completed surveys for information, beta version of intranet site, final version of intranet site, reward system, hiring of experts, expert feedback, final product, and meetings. We used Excel with formulas to create a cost baseline to break down the cost by month with a work breakdown structure task. We entered the monthly amount per task and used formulas to get the totals for each task. Our budget was $200,000 and we came in under budget at $199,996. In order to meet the expectations of the employees, survey results on interested programs and classes were put into an Excel spreadsheet, and a Pareto diagram was constructed to see which programs and classes were most requested. Based on our Pareto diagrams, rate reduction class, walking program, and stop smoking classes were the top 3 requested programs out of all the programs. While testing the application, we used the RACI, which stands for Responsibility, Accountability, Consultation, and Inform. The RACI spreadsheet was to identify who was in charge of the different aspects of testing the application. In conclusion, Manager Health Incorporated was able to lower the cost of health insurance premiums. Manager Health Incorporated did this by using the project management techniques to create an application to help employees manage their health better. During this project, we utilized Microsoft Project, Excel, and Word. Extensive meetings were required to make the successful project an overall great class by FNF Express.